Special Appreciation Award for innovation in predictive maintenance, operation, or asset management goes to RT Vision Technologies Private Limited.
RT Vision Technologies Private Limited, a trailblazer in rail technology solutions, earns acclaim for consistent growth and innovative contributions. With a focus on signaling, telecom, and software integration, their R&D prowess optimizes technology for customer satisfaction. Established in 2003, the company's commitment to quality control, exemplified by ISO 9001-2008 compliance, has garnered international recognition.
I would like to thank Rail Analysis for this honor. We started working on wheel profile measurement systems about 4 years back. And honestly, it was a huge gamble for us because my background was in pathologies. I had no idea about optical measurements. So we started off with a very small team, built it up, faced many, many challenges. And I would like to thank Rail Analysis again for recognizing our efforts in developing a world-class product for India and for the world as well. In these 4 years, essentially we've made a platform which allows us to attack all of the optical tomography problems that are faced by the industry. And thank you for this award.
Thank you very much.